Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pumpkin potato soup. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of pumpkin, peeled and cubed, along with 1 pound of potatoes, also peeled and diced. Don't forget 4 cups of vegetable broth, 1 chopped onion, and 2 minced garlic cloves. These simple items are the foundation for a delicious and comforting soup that's perfect for any occasion. Next, let's build our flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and sauté it gently until it becomes soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, stir in the 2 minced garlic cloves, cooking for just 1 more minute until fragrant. Be careful not to let the garlic brown, as this can make your soup taste bitter. Now it's time to combine our main ingredients. Add the cubed pumpkin and diced potatoes to the pot with the sautéed aromatics. Pour in the 4 cups of vegetable broth, ensuring everything is well covered. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. The vegetables should be fork tender when ready. Finally, let's achieve that creamy texture. Carefully use an immersion blender directly in the pot to blend the soup until it's wonderfully smooth. If you don't have one, a regular blender works too. Just blend in batches. Season your delicious soup with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Serve it hot, perhaps with a swirl of cream or some fresh herbs for garnish. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.